Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be like my graduation vlog. Yeah, your girl is graduating. My graduation is by May 15. Oh my god, I can't wait. Oh, feels so unreal, but then this is real. So my graduation is by May and I just got a package. Yeah, and they wrote class rental caps and gowns. So I think this should be my graduation gown. So I feel like it's too fast. This is March and then they sent it already and our graduation is still in May. Like, we still have like over a month to go. But then yeah, so they sent the package, my school name. My name is on it, my school name. I can't wait to unbox this to see what the graduation gown is gonna look like. So let's unbox this right now. I can't wait. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, so good. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. I'm short of weight. Oh my god. I mean, guys. Yeah, yo. Oh yeah, please. This is how I'm gonna go and collect that award. And this thing is my size like this, so I beg go, who size it? Oh my god, what was it? Oh, guys. I don't know how to wear this thing, but then I'm more for this. Oh my god. Later, how did I wear it? Don't let me come embarrass myself. I thought they were even going to write the school name on it. I don't know how they wear this thing. Ha. Kai. I'll have to like check. I think it's like this. It's probably like this. Or is it at the front? Oh, this thing. 2022, guys, see it. 2022. This is going to be on the cap. I mean, I don't know how to use any of it, but then okay, I think it's going to be like this. I'm not sure. Yo. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm graduating. Guys, we are still in March. I've not written my exam. It's too early to be happy. After my exam, I'll come back and give you guys the gist. But then I don't want to unbox my graduation gown and cap. I mean, I'll be graduating by May and I'll be having that LLM degree. I'm going to wear my cap of gown. They didn't call my name in the hall. Sulia to Olivia, and they will clap for me. Oh my god. I've not written my exam. After my exam, I'll talk. It's too early to talk. I just came here to unbox my graduation gown. Tell you guys that my graduation gown is here. I'm very sure that I'm not wearing almost everything right. See, when we get to the bridge, we shall cross it. No, I thought it was actually going to be blue. I didn't know it. Oh, we're gonna zip this place up or what? I thought it was gonna be blue all through. I didn't know. Oh, okay. It was black because our school color is like blue and white. So I thought the graduation gown was gonna be blue. Yeah, we got it. We got it zipped. Let me get my cup. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I just came here to show you guys that my graduation gown cap is here. See you the next day. I'm preparing for the graduation.